asked you guys like a month ago, I know, so long, on Instagram if I send a little stuffy. I have allergies too, by the way. I asked you guys what you would want me to film on like the question thing. Everyday makeup, mommy related, morning routine, skincare, hair, your everyday makeup or glam, motherhood advice. There's a lot, so I have a lot of videos coming for you guys. I think I'm gonna do just everyday makeup. I don't wear makeup every day. I don't even do my hair every day, just keeping it real. I usually have lash extensions. I have like 3 on each eye hanging on by thread, so I'm gonna wear false lashes today just because my lash extensions are all out of whack. But normally I have my lash extensions done and I just look like this, like no makeup. I just wash my face and put some moisturizer on, so this is really how I look every day, except my lashes are a little more full. But anyway, yeah, I don't do makeup every day, but when I do my makeup, it's usually, you know, if I'm going somewhere or going to dinner with my friends or something like that. When I do my makeup and I want it to be quick but still look good, this is what I do. So that's what I'm going to show you guys. And what I mean when I say like not doing hair, it's not like I don't brush my hair or anything. I just will have it up in a bun. I won't have it down. So I don't get too lazy, okay? For primer, I'm going to be using a new product. This is the Olay, I think I'm saying it right, Henriksen Banana Bright Face Primer. So they say you can wear this alone after you wash your face and moisturize or under makeup. So I just washed my face and I put some of their moisturizer on. So I'm going to go ahead and try out this primer as well. Then on the apples of my cheeks, I'm just going to go in with the Cover FX Blurring Primer, just because I do have larger pores on my cheeks and I just like to have more of a blur in that area. Alright, so for foundation, I really don't have a shade that matches me right now. I've just been kind of mixing. If I really want no makeup, just something on my face, I've been loving this NARS Tinted Moisturizer. This is the Pure Radiant Tinted Moisturizer, and there is SPF 30 in this. I might be mixing like 3 things together, honestly. My L'Oreal True Match Foundation, and then one of these new Wet n Wild stick foundations. This is their Photo Focus. So I'm going to go ahead and take the Wet n Wild Photo Focus stick foundation. I'm just going to do it like in this area. But yeah, that's too light. I mean, I'm lighter here anyway. This could be concealer down here. And then I'm going to take the L'Oreal True Match W7 and I'm going to put this everywhere else. The foundation brush I've been using lately and loving is the Morphe M439. I picked this up at Ulta, and this is what I've been using to apply that NARS tinted moisturizer. So I'm going to just buff this out with this brush. Pick up some of the L'Oreal True Match. I'm going to put this everywhere else. Just doing circular motions on the jawline and bring it down into the neck, of course, a little bit. Just gonna buff that in. To the hairline a bit. I go over my lips, just so they're not so red. And I took a little bit goes a long way too. Just put some on my forehead. I'm going to go in with the Kylie Cosmetics concealer. This is in Pine Nut. All out of the other one I had. I forgot what the other shade was, but I really liked that one more than this one. I just forget the shade. I hope she comes out with a foundation soon. Okay, that was a lot. I'm so used to not wearing makeup that like the old me would be like, oh, we'll just blend this shit out, but I'm looking at it like, oh my god, so much. So I'm just gonna go in with a beauty blender and blend the concealer out. I'm going to take the Precisely My Brow Pencil by Benefit. This is in the shade 6. The Tarte Maracuja Creaseless Concealer. I'm going to put this on my eyelid and just carve out the brows a little bit underneath. Stuff is really thick and a little goes a long way, so I'm just going to put that dot on this lid and bounce back and forth and use it on both eyes because it's a lot. I'm just going to take this and put some on this eyelid so I have some. This brush and blend it all together. Just did this one off camera. Same thing, just blended the concealer on to the eyelids. I'm gonna go in with the Laura Mercier Secret Brightening Powder #1. I love her translucent powder. Need to get another one, but I'm just gonna take a tiny bit on the beauty blender. I'm not gonna bake or anything. I just took a tiny bit and I'm just dabbing it into the skin. Also going to put some on my eyelids as well, just to set that concealer and to make everything matte. I'm going to take the Kat Von D Lock-It Powder Foundation. This is in medium 57. I'm just going to put this on the cheeks and a little bit on my chin and forehead, just my T-zone pretty much, like the little spots that get a little bit oily throughout the day. Go in with my Anastasia Beverly Hills. This is the A19 brush. Taking this little Benefit palette, open it up, they have a nice little mirror. Hoola Caramel Bronzer, the original Hoola highlighter or not. It's really shiny. This might be a highlighter, so don't mark my words. It's called Cookie, and then this blush is Coralista, and then we have the Gold Rush blush. So I'm going to be using this Hoola Caramel Bronzer and a little bit of the Gold Rush blush. For blush, I'm going to be using the Real Techniques blush brush. I hate like all these S's, these just got me like, ugh. I'm going to go in with Gold Rush blush from the palette. Okay, now onto the eyes. I'm going to be going in with my Anastasia Beverly Hills Soft Glam palette. I do the same thing all the time. Always just go for browns and warm tones. So I'm going to be taking Burnt Orange and Orange Soda from the palette. And then I'm going to use this MAC palette, actually. This is called the MAC Art Library. And this is the It's Designer palette. I'm going to start off first with the Soft Glam Orange Soda, and I'm taking my Morphe M433. So honestly, you could use any shadows to get this look. Those are just the colors I gravitate towards, and they're all in one palette, so it's perfect for me. If you're a mom or you're on a budget, or you just don't care about spending money on makeup and you want a good quality makeup palette and you're willing to splurge but you want it to be worth it, I recommend the Soft Glam palette by Anastasia Beverly Hills, and you can get that on their website. You can pick it up at Ulta or Sephora. Went on my lower lash line with the color what is it called? Cypress Umber. Weird name, not sure, but it's a deep brown, just like a dark chocolate brown. I went on my lower lash line with that, and then this is usually it. I have lash extensions, so I'll put a little bit of mascara on the bottom and I'll be done. Like I said, I have like 3 lashes on both eyes, so I'm gonna go ahead and apply some lashes. Now this is not a normal step for me. I'm doing it for the video, and so the look can come together and not look crazy with my lash situation right now. I'm going to take this gold color from the MAC palette. I'll have all details listed below. I'm going to pop this in the inner corner. My friend Stephanie just came out with some new lashes. She sent me a few. I'm not sure which one I want to wear today. I'm kind of excited to wear lashes because I always have lash extensions. Her name is Stephanie Wiggins on Instagram. I'll leave everything below, but yeah, so I'm just going to pick. Okay, Steph, these are bomb. I don't know which one I'm going to use. I'm going to take D12. I'm gonna put these lashes on, and then we're gonna go ahead and do some mascara and a lip, and we'll be done. I'm gonna take that gold shade. I always like to have like something extra, like a little pop. I'm not gonna put this under my brow bone because I didn't know it was gonna be that shade. It's perfect for in the inner corner, but brow bone, no, I'm not doing that. I mean, you could. There's no rules in makeup, but me personally, no. Okay, so that is it for the eyes. I'm gonna do any liner. I kind of like how my eyes just look open. I'm gonna go in with the Better Than Sex mascara by Too Faced. Just put a little bit on my bottom lashes. Not a lot, just a little. For lips, I'm using MAC's Stripdown lip pencil. We're taking a MAC lipstick. This is Koi. It's a lot. I'm wearing this a lot. Oh my gosh. I can't. I always drop something. Pat it on my lips. Go ahead and take my Buxom lip gloss. This is in Pink Champagne. They just give you that little tingle. But anyway, just in case you were wondering, or if you get it and you're like, wait, it's a plumper? I don't want to send you guys off, so yeah. So just a little bit. And then that's it for this makeup look. To set everything, I've been using the Urban Decay De-Slick setting spray lately. So I'm just going to go ahead and do a little spray of that. Shake it up. Whew. Okay, so this is it for this makeup tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to comment and let me know what you guys would like to see next. And I think that's it. I feel like a broken record, so the same thing every time. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to hit thumbs up this video and make sure that you are subscribed to my channel. I will see you guys in my next video. I almost said bye-bye because I'm so used to saying bye-bye with my toddler. That's how we say bye-bye. Bye-bye. I almost just let you guys. Okay, that's all.